Bromekwa luoni wach mar tho mar okil Paul Gicheru eni familia kod osiepe nochokore kanisa mar jokopere mar Regina Kelly buore Nairobi Misa mar mosenindo okil Paul Gicheru.
Misa no ne oriwo kodaka okinde mamoko kata kamano min mare ne ore ma ok ochopo kakoro yangore ni onge kod more chunye wira ne ochich ni nitiere wach moro mipando ewi tho mar okindno.
Minod mosenindo Gicheru to noyudo thuolo matimo neno e lo familiano.
Mosenindo Gicheru ibiro ike kaunti ma Nakuru chieng' tich ang'wen.
On Monday, before you went to be with the Lord, you held my hand and said to me, "Nobody will ever separate us." Very unexpected at that moment. That made me wonder if God sends messages to the people He's calling.
You are loving, composed, and courageous. You are slow to anger and always gave numerous chances to people. You lived a life of selfless service, helping others even before you could help yourself, and not expecting anything in return. Us three can only strive to replicate the exemplary life in which you've lived.
We lost a hero. He was a man of excellence. He was full of the wisdom of God, and he did not settle for less.